Welcome to our video abstract workshop. So you can record your video abstract on a computer, on a smartphone, or a camera or camcorder. Any of the above is fine, so long as you're able to get it in digital form and be able to send it in with your abstract submission. So you'll need to think about the actual recording itself, the sounds around you, as well as your own audio, and you. Okay, so for recording, start your smartphone recordings in landscape and ensure that your screen lock is off. Record anywhere appropriate, indoors or outdoors, that's perfectly fine. And record in good light. Now let's switch to sound. Beware of ambient noise. Record in as quiet a place as possible. And use earphones, and if you're fancy, a mic where possible for that boost for your voice. For you, make yourself comfortable as best as you can. Make yourself feel at ease when you're recording your presentation. Be aware of your tics and check to make sure that you're looking directly into the camera lens when you're recording. And let your enthusiasm about your topic shine through. And if you follow those 3 tips, you'll be able to remember just what to do when you are recording your own videos. So now we're going to watch a beautiful example from our film festival chair, Ashley Ford, as to what your videos and your video abstracts could look like. Take it away, Ashley.
Hello everyone, I'm Ashley Ford from Nagoya City University, and in my presentation, Lights, Camera, Action, I will be talking about showcasing student film projects. And we'll look at the different stages of filmmaking process for students, and especially the distribution phase. So I'll be sharing some ideas on how to get students to share and reflect on the film projects that they make in class. All right, thank you very much. Hope to see you there.
Thank you so much, Ashley. And that's it for how to make the most out of your video abstracts, the technical aspects.